Alright, man, welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Headed over to my, seem like a regular spot now. I'm headed over to Mr. Muffler. I'm going to do this Resonator delete this morning, man. Try to pepper up a little bit. She's a little bit too quiet for me. But, yeah, stay tuned for the video, man. Alright, after leaving the muffler shop, man, I was on my way home. So, fortunately or unfortunately, I was unable to do the Resonator delete. And let me explain why I wasn't able to do it. The previous owner, excuse me, pretty much straight piped this joint. So once they traded it in, same shop I went to, recognized the vehicle, basically called me out, let me look under the vehicle to show me that there was no mid pipe in there already, no resonator there. So it already had one set of resonators, because as you guys know, these Chargers and Challengers come with 4 resonators, one in the middle, one at the end. So what they did was they added a boiler system to it to kill the drone on the inside the vehicle and to tame down the noise. So unfortunately, I was unable to get the mid muffler done today. The only thing I could probably do in the future is maybe a Scatpack system. There's no way in the world I'll straight pipe this car. Those who know, I usually leave God off early in the morning. So, with that being said, unfortunately, I know the thumbnail said Resonator delete. It was an epic fail, which is really no real issue to me. I think it sounds good the way it is now. So I'm not disappointed at all. Saved me some money. Yeah, so when you guys go and you buy these Scatpacks, these Dodge products, used, check a couple things out, right? Ask about the exhaust system, because you know all of us cut the mid muffler out. Everybody who owns a Dodge Charger, Challenger, has probably cut the mid muffler out, the mid resonator, I should say. Also, check under the hood and see if they have changed the air intake system. Because as you know, we want these cars to breathe and go as fast as they possibly can go, because this is what they were made for. So, unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it done, but it's all good. I really still like the way it sounds. Just gonna move on to the next thing. If you made it to this part of the video, man, like it, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll show you what I can. I can't show you the mid muffler stuff because I didn't think about it when it was on the rack. But I do have, they did also put in a K&N high flow air filter, which I didn't mention in the other video. But yep, it's been installed. So again, epic fail, but still good. Still happy with my purchase. To the next video, man. Peace and blessings. I'm out.